Hi, my name is Yadu Thomas. I'm a solution architect working for Redington Value. Today we'll be covering Red Hat Satellite. Red Hat Satellite is a management software for managing Red Hat operating system. So when you have one or two systems, it is easy to manage, but when you have n number of systems, managing individual systems one by one would be a very hectic task for the system administrator. So Red Hat Satellite actually helps you in achieving this. How? We'll see that. So it has got 4 components. First is the update module. So update module does the updates, your bug fixes, your erratas, your security updates, all this. It does your patching work and it does for all the systems at one go. Second thing it does is it updates your OS version 2. So instead of connecting each system to internet for the update, what you do is you have one satellite server and all the systems will be connecting to the satellite server for the updates. So it likes this. You have one satellite server and all your RHEL boxes will connect to the satellite server for updates, and satellite will get updated using Red Hat network. So all the latest patches from the Red Hat network will come to the satellite and all the patches are updated on the Red Hat operating system. So you don't have to directly connect to Red Hat network and block the bandwidth of your company. You just connect to the satellite server for the updates. Second important module of Red Hat Satellite is management module. So management module takes care of all the management of your Red Hat Enterprise Linux system. So what you can do is you can group the systems. Say you can have multiple groups like application server groups, a database group, you can have HR group or whatever. So multiple groups can be made, and you can assign a system administrator to each group, and you can manage those groups. Instead of managing individual systems, you can manage those groups. So this helps in compliance, auditing and things like that. So you can even assign the permissions to each administrator so that if he is allowed to only do updates, he will be allowed to only do that. You can assign whatever permission you want based on your system policy or your company's policy. You can even schedule the updates. So in case if you want to do the updates only after the office hours, you can do that using the management module. Another important module that Red Hat Satellite has got is the provisioning module. Now, you can deploy hundreds of systems simultaneously with one click with provisioning module. So you can clone hundreds of systems with one click. Instead of installing them one by one, you can just click provisioning. You can do the provisioning for all the systems at one go. This again helps in the consistency of the files. So you can actually provision hundreds of configuration files to the group or to all the systems based on your requirement. Now if you are not happy with the updates, if you are not getting the desired result from the updates, you can even roll back. After keeping a snapshot of the previous system, you can roll back to your previous working system if you are not happy with the performance, or if you don't want the updates to be continuing in your organization. The fourth module is the monitoring module. Now the monitoring module takes care of the monitoring of the Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems. So you can monitor almost everything, your CPU, your RAM, your network, everything. It also has got software monitoring tools from which you can monitor your Tomcat, your database, your web servers, whatever. So it has got hundreds and thousands of low impact probes which monitor the system, and the good thing is it will give you the notification via email or pager, whatever, based on whatever threshold you have set. So if you want to know when your system is more than 90% utilized, you can set a threshold and you get an intimation saying that your system is now 90% utilized. So you get automated message so that you can take proactive steps rather than taking a reactive step. So you manage your systems very well. So the benefit of this particular software, that is Red Hat Satellite, is that you manage hundreds of systems as if you are managing one system. So instead of having say 10 or 15 administrators, you can probably have just 1 or 2 administrators to do that, because from a single window you manage all those systems. So this helps you in saving your cost and it gives you better ROI. Thank you for watching.